Entrepreneurship is often defined as the process of designing, launching, and running a new business. It involves taking risks and innovating to create something of value. Entrepreneurs identify gaps in the market, develop products or services to fill those gaps, and bring them to consumers. This pursuit is not just about making money, it's about solving problems and fulfilling needs. The entrepreneurial spirit is what drives economies forward and creates jobs. Being an entrepreneur means embracing uncertainty and being willing to take calculated risks. It's about having the vision to see opportunities where others might see challenges. Entrepreneurs often work in emerging markets or introduce new concepts that disrupt established industries. They play a crucial role in fostering innovation, which is vital for technological advancement and societal progress. Entrepreneurship is not limited to starting new businesses. It can also be found within existing organizations. Entrepreneurship is a concept where individuals within a company act like entrepreneurs, using their creativity and innovation to improve processes, develop new products, or enhance customer experiences. This mindset is essential for any organization seeking to stay competitive in today's fast-paced world. An important aspect of entrepreneurship is the impact it has on communities. Successful entrepreneurs often reinvest their profits into their local economies, supporting other businesses and creating jobs. They can inspire others to pursue their dreams and drive positive change. By sharing their stories, they encourage a culture of entrepreneurship that can lead to increased economic development. It's essential to understand that entrepreneurship is not a one-size-fits-all concept. There are various types of entrepreneurship, including small business entrepreneurship, scalable startup entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship, and corporate entrepreneurship. Each type comes with its own set of challenges and rewards, making the entrepreneurial landscape diverse and rich. While the image of the entrepreneur is often glamorized, the reality involves hard work, resilience, and perseverance. Many entrepreneurs face numerous obstacles, including financial challenges, competition, and market fluctuations. The journey can be tumultuous, but those who are passionate about their ideas and committed to their vision can overcome these hurdles and find success. In conclusion, entrepreneurship is a dynamic and multifaceted field. It requires creativity, determination, and a willingness to learn. By understanding the fundamentals of entrepreneurship, you can begin to cultivate the skills and mindset necessary for success. This course will guide you through the essential steps to become a successful entrepreneur, equipping you with the knowledge to navigate the challenges ahead. As we progress through this course, remember that the entrepreneurial journey is unique for everyone. Your path may be different from others, but the principles and strategies we discuss will provide a solid foundation. Together, let's explore what it takes to thrive as an entrepreneur in today's ever-evolving landscape.